Alden with short update. Yan sa black screening. With Alden. Diyan sa Fisher Mall. Yan pa black screening. Ni TJ at Casey. Napakasipag ni Alden.
TJ and Casey for this black screening and to all their supporters na nandito ngayon. Sinasabi ko nga ito paulit-ulit sa mga proyekto naman, especially movies na mga napapanood natin sa television at sa pelikula. Napaka-laking bagay at a huge part of certain project is the theme song. So, malaking pagpapasalamat ko kay TJ and Casey for the song Palagi na talaga namang bagay na bagay sa pelikula at bagay na bagay sa storya ni Joy and Ethan. We're so grateful for this theme song. Actually, si Kat yung isa talaga sa mga naging tulay para maging theme song to ng Hello Love Again. So, grateful kami. We're very happy. And of course, with this film, sa mga first time po makakapanood, I hope you get what we mean when we say that Palagi is the best theme song for Hello Love Again. Maraming salamat po and enjoy the film. Alam ba natin, tingnan mo naman natin.
Kaya pa? So now naiintindihan mo na why pinaglaban ni Catherine?
Yes, bagay talaga siya. I mean, nagulat nga kami, there was this time when we were on set, parang ang daming nagpipitch ng mga different theme songs, si Joro, si Direk Cathy, and then parang walang nagugustuhan si Direk during that time, si Catherine as well. Pero for some reason, nung nakauwi na kami, parang itong music na ito yung nagustuhan ni Kat for the film because it depicts everything.
Right.
It tells the whole story and at the same time bagay na bagay dun sa character ni Joy and Ethan.
Right.
We are right now with of course achievements and yung natatanggap na success ng it's a team effort.
Right.
So thanks to the people behind it. Pero malaking bagay talaga yung team. So
and you can. So favorite mo na rin?
Yes, okay naman. Oo naman.
Okay.
Memorize ko na nga yun.
So, theme song nyo na rin? Ni Kat?
Theme song ng movie yan.
Okay. Kinikilig yung dalawa. Oh, yes, TJ, Casey, ano yan?
Kinikilig sila.
Thank you, last na lang, sample, Alden. Palagi. Isimulan kami, TJ. Alden, dali, isimulan daw. Sige.
Ayan na, sample.
Palagi, babalik pa rin sa ako. Mahal sa huli, palagi, pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin na, nais kong malaman mo.
Thank you for being so gay! Thank you, Alden. Thank you, TJ. Thank you, Casey. Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. And this is Victor Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more updates. See ya.